Hello, Jack Middleton, the Empowered Vegan here, and in this video, we're making mushroom soup. So people are always asking me, Jack, I need some easy soup recipes. I need some easy after work recipes. I need some recipes that I can do in half an hour. And I'm telling you, this soup is that recipe. It is the incarnate of all of those things that you want. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to roast your mushrooms. Let's get them chopped up. Once they're chopped up, coat them in oil. Mushrooms are like sponges and they soak up tons of oil, which is a beautiful, beautiful quality. So you're gonna put more oil than you probably think is necessary on these mushrooms, toss them around, then you're gonna spread them out on a baking sheet and you're gonna stick them in the oven for 25 minutes. While your mushrooms are roasting, next thing you can do is chop up the rest of your veggies. The other thing that's nice about this recipe, there isn't very much chopping. So you're gonna chop up your onion, you're gonna chop up your garlic, you're gonna chop up your rosemary, and you're gonna juice your lemon, and then we're gonna head over to the stovetop. And then you're good to go. Put your pot on the stove, turn the heat up nice and high, and throw some olive oil in the pan. Once it starts to heat up a bit, you can throw in your onions and your salt. Saute that around until they're nice and translucent. Then you can add in your garlic, your rosemary, your pepper, and you can cook that out for about a minute. At this point, you can check on your mushrooms. If they're nice, roasted, brown, delicious smelling, then you can pull them out and we'll put them into the pot. You can add your tamari, your lemon juice. Once the mushrooms are in the pot, then you can add your 4 cups of stock. Little cooking tip here, 4 cups of stock equal 1 liter, and pretty much all stock containers are 1 liter. So just know that. That's handy, really handy when you're making soup. Once you put the stock in the pot, bring it up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, turn it off, take it off the stove, and we're gonna blend it up. Once you puree it nice and smooth, you are ready to go, my friend. That is it, that is all. I think we've done this soup in about 4 minutes. That's incredible, super fast soup. Now, if you'd like to see more soup recipes, or if you have good ideas for soup recipes that you would like me to make a recipe for and deliver to you, put it in the comments below. Let me know. I love when you tell me what to do. I love your suggestions. Let me know. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, because I'm not stopping. There's more. So subscribe if you want to get in on the deliciousness, if you want to get in on that. Christmas is around the corner. It's going to be Christmas recipes, maybe even some cookie recipes. It's going to be good. It's going to be really good. So hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when videos are coming out, hit the bell button, because that's what that button is for. And if you like this video, like it. Just hit that like button. There we go. You guys have been great. This has been an incredible 4 to 5 minutes, and I will see you in the next video.